In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat without losing quality. If you've ever tried to email a PDF and hit a size limit or upload a document to a portal that rejects large files, this quick method will help you shrink your PDF while keeping it looking sharp. We'll be working in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Start by opening the app, then go to the top left and choose File, then Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to compress and select it. Give it a moment to load. Don't worry about overwriting your original just yet. You'll get to choose where and how to save at the end, so you can keep an untouched copy if you want. With the PDF open, head back to the File menu and select Reduce File Size. This tool applies smart compression behind the scenes, things like streamlining embedded content and gently resampling images, so you get a smaller file without visibly downgrading quality for normal viewing and printing. When the compatibility prompt appears, choose Keep Existing. This is recommended because it preserves the current PDF version your file already uses, maintaining broad compatibility without unnecessarily increasing size. Picking an older compatibility level can sometimes bloat the file. Picking a newer one can introduce issues for people on older viewers. Keeping existing strikes the right balance in most cases. After that, click OK to proceed. Now it's time to save. Choose where you want the compressed file to go, and if you'd like to keep the original intact, enter a new file name so you have both versions. Click Save. Acrobat will run the compression, which usually only takes a few seconds depending on the document's length and the number of images it contains. This method is best for quick compression with minimal quality loss. It's especially effective for PDFs that include images or scans, where there's often more room to reduce size. Text-heavy documents typically shrink less because text is already efficiently stored, but you should still see a helpful reduction. After saving, you'll typically notice a smaller file size in your folder, and on-screen text and graphics should remain clear for everyday reading and standard printing. A couple of tips to keep in mind. If this PDF needs to be shared widely, the Keep Existing option helps ensure your recipients can open it without trouble. And if you're concerned about preserving layout fidelity, you can always keep your original as a backup by saving the compressed version under a new name. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your lighter, easier to share PDFs.